Hey guys, it's your girl Tahita with Beauty and the Kinks, coming back looking like Kodak Black little sister. I'm actually in the process of straightening my hair and I'm about to do a length check. I'm probably gonna need a trim. I think I desperately need a trim. And I might not show that. If you guys want a video showing how I trim my hair, give me a thumbs up, let me know in the comments, and I'll probably do a separate video about trimming. But today's video is all about my length and straightening my hair. So let's So I did blow dry my hair, and I separated my hair in 4 different sections. I'm probably gonna have to get up to show you guys my length. So I'm past armpit, I'm past bra strap, I'm past bra strap, I'm probably mid-back, a little bit past mid-back. So my hair has been growing, thankfully. But yeah, so we're gonna get right into it. I did put heat protectant in my hair before blow drying. I'm not gonna add too many products. I feel like when I do that, my hair ends up being super greasy and super heavy. So right now after washing, I did leave-in scalp oil, and I did the Briogeo the Briogeo heat protectant, and a little bit of the Mielle Organics almond mint oil, I think it is. I'll have all of this in the description box as well as on the screen. But yeah, that's what I use. I only use those products. So mainly after washing, throughout the blow dry process, I only use the heat protectant and a little bit of oil to separate and thoroughly go through and detangle my hair. But anyways, let's get started on the straightening process. I don't use any expensive flat irons. I probably need to invest in one, but this Conair flat iron that I've had has been working just fine. So I'm gonna stick with it right now and get started. So I'm just gonna take my hair in thin sections. I'm gonna put this part up. I should have my Denman brush, I do. And I'm gonna take the flat iron. And depending on how I feel, I might do it once, I might do it twice. I think right now I'm gonna go through it twice. But on the second rip, I'm going to do the chasing method. And that's pretty much it. So I'm gonna try to do this section on camera. And I'll also try to adjust my lens because I feel like I'm so zoomed in that you can barely see my hair. See if that is any better. Anyways, let me go ahead and try to do this section a little bit more, and then I'll be back. right, so pretty much that was it, guys. I just did a quick, not quick, but I just straightened my hair. I'm definitely past bra strap length. I want to say I'm a little bit past mid back length. Unfortunately, I did not record trying to like measure how long it's been. I literally am doing it right now as we sit down. I'm I'm pulling my hair past my bra strap, and I'm feeling where it's at. So yeah, I'm pretty pleased with my growth. I want to say for like the last year it's been off and on because I haven't really been taking the best care of my hair, but now that I know that it's really grown past mid back, I'm gonna try to be more cognizant of what I'm doing with my hair, not put it up in a top knot all the time, and actually try to take care of it. I do deep condition weekly. I do detangle properly. I'm not just raking my hair. So I am doing small things to help with growth. I have started exercising, I'm eating better, drinking more water, all of that helps. So if y'all want more tips on how to grow your natural hair, definitely leave any questions, any comments down below so that I know your questions, and then maybe I'll create a separate video for them. But yeah, that was pretty much it for this video. As always, thank you for your love and support, and definitely check out the description box because I will have all of my social media platforms listed down below. I will also have my site, beautyinthekinks.com. Definitely check it out, guys. I revamped it. It looks pretty decent, so if I may say so myself. So definitely check it out and become a part of the squad. I am letting y'all know in this video, and I think I've said it in a previous video, this holiday season, I'm about to give away something every week. I want to say I'm gonna have 4 giveaways leading up to the last week before Christmas, because I have to I want to ship it out and hopefully get it to whoever by Christmas. 2 of them will be open internationally because I don't want to leave out my international subscribers. I'm talking too much. So just go ahead and subscribe. Y'all will see when the videos come up for the giveaways. Also, definitely join my squad and follow me on like Instagram and Snapchat, because I'll be leaving little hints and clues on Snapchat and Insta stories. So definitely, I'm doing laundry, sorry. So definitely follow me on my social media platforms and join the squad for early notification for those giveaways. So yeah, that is pretty much it for this video. As always, thank you for your love. Lola! As always, thank you for your love and support. Until next video, bye guys.